Hi, welcome to Electrospatial. Today we're going to look at some of the visual effects in ArcGIS Pro. So basically, I have this. I'm not going to explain much details, but I'm just going to show us how it's been done. So I have this. This is a map of Tarawa. It's a complete map. So I'm just extracting the two things I'm going to use the visual effects on. So I'm going to be using the visual effects on this geopolitical zone. That's the LGA map and the DEM. So if I remove this, you will see the DEM. I've categorized it ranging from 40 down to 80 in time of darkening. So this is how it is. This is a DEM for Taraba State. You can see this is the darkest, which means is the highest on the map. This is around Gembu side. So I want to blend this with this. So you can see this is showing very harsh. So this is what some of the blending modes will do. So once, if you want to use it, if you just click on here, this is on the shapefile. If you click on this, you will see the future layers. So if you click on the future layer, you're going to see transparency, you're going to see layer blend, and you're going to see the future blend. So using each of these three will enable some. So first, I'm going to move this. I'm just going to put it at 50%. So you either use the slider or you type in the number. So I'm using the slider now. So 50%. So I'm going to remove, to leave it at 50%. So you can see that at 50%, it's already becoming, you can see it's already becoming like, it's not too loud anymore. Let's remove this 50% so that you see what I'm saying. So if we remove the 50%, you will see what it has become. But when we return it, where is it? Oh. Remove the 50%. So do you see? If I put the 50%, you see that it makes it more better. That's on the transparency. So if I come down to the DEM, and on the DEM I made this 30%. I make it 30%. It's showing 131, but no problem. So let's go back here. It's skipped out. %50. So with it be at 50 and with this being at 30, you can see how it's blending the two. You can see how it's blending the two together. Can you see how it's coming out very well? Now, if we want to apply the layer blend, now let's say we multiply, you will see what it does. So if we come down to say lighten, you will see. If we say overlay, you will also see. So these are some of the very mode you can do, and you can see that this one is, you can see it's bringing out some of those hilly elevation, making it look as if it's a 3D map or something, just to give you that kind of feel of that your work is. This will just enable like an aesthetic way of blending your data. All right, so in ArcGIS Pro, it added some of the feature like this blend, layer blend, and the future blend. Though in ArcGIS Desktop, I only know of transparency. I've not heard of these two. So you can easily just apply these two. You can see. So when I say darken, it just add the dark colors to that one. If I exclude, you will also see what it does. So basically, this is how, if I overlay, you will see it. So you see this is an overlay, you can see. So it's coming out nice. So basically it's just for you to have a twist around the two option, that's the future on the this thing, and then the raster layer there, where if you're using a raster, it's a raster layer. If you're using a vector, it's a future layers. So with this you can have a blend that will also give you a good result at the end of the day. So you just need to understand what each of this lighting mode, this darkening mode, and this comparison mode, this diverging modes, what they're all about, and then this color combination mode. You can have a read on them and understand how you do, or you just basically keep applying them as a kind of practice. You get perfect and get the kind of color feel that you're looking for your map production. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.